Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael.
If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode is just for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips. We're very happy to learn English with you today.
Hello, dear friends. Thank you for joining us. We are excited to practice slow, clear, and friendly English together.
Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone learning English.
Your support helps us create more calm, simple, and useful English lessons for everyday life.
Today's topic is very practical and very exciting for many beginners: ordering food in English.
Yes, ordering food at a restaurant can feel scary, but we will make it easy together.
We will speak slowly, clearly, and kindly so you can relax and enjoy learning with us.
Please listen carefully, repeat softly, and smile because mistakes are part of learning.
Now let us begin our friendly English conversation at a restaurant together.
Imagine we are walking into a small, clean, and friendly restaurant in a quiet city.
The lights are warm, the music is soft, and the smell of food feels very welcoming.
We feel a little nervous, but also excited to practice our English politely today.
A waiter is standing near the door, smiling gently and waiting to help us.
Now, Emily, let us practice what we say first when we enter a restaurant.
Hello, good evening. We would like a table for 2 people, please.
Good evening. Yes, a table for 2 near the window would be very nice. Thank you.
Speaking politely already makes me feel more confident and comfortable inside.
Really? Oh? Polite words open doors and hearts, even in a small restaurant.
The waiter smiles and shows us our table with a kind and calm gesture.
We sit down slowly, place our bags carefully, and look around with gentle curiosity.
Michael, this menu looks very big and I feel a little confused now.
Do not worry, Emily. We will read it slowly and choose together calmly.
I see soups, salads, chicken, rice, noodles, and many delicious desserts here.
Wow, that's a lot of choices, but we can ask questions politely.
Yes, asking questions in English is a very useful skill in real life.
Let us practice asking the waiter about food politely and clearly.
Excuse me, can you please tell me which soup is most popular today?
Excuse me, is this chicken dish spicy or mild? Because I prefer mild flavors.
I feel happy when I can ask questions without feeling shy anymore.
That's a great feeling because confidence grows with small, brave steps.
The waiter answers kindly and explains the dishes slowly and clearly for us.
We listen carefully and nod our heads politely to show respect and understanding.
Michael, I think I will order the vegetable soup and grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds healthy and delicious, and I will order pasta with tomato sauce today.
I also want a small salad and a glass of fresh orange juice.
Wow. I will order mineral water and maybe a small chocolate dessert later.
We are ready to order now, and I feel calm and confident inside.
Yes, let us order politely and clearly with friendly voices.
Excuse me, I would like the vegetable soup and grilled chicken with rice, please.
I would like the pasta with tomato sauce and a bottle of mineral water, please.
Could I also have a small salad and a glass of orange juice, please?
And I will order a chocolate dessert after our main dishes. Thank you.
Speaking English like this feels natural and warm now.
Really? Oh, practice truly makes everything easier and more enjoyable.
Michael, I remember when I felt very shy speaking English in public places.
Yes, I also felt nervous and my heart beat very fast every time.
But now I feel proud because I can speak slowly and clearly.
That's a beautiful feeling because progress comes from gentle practice.
Learning English is not only about words, but also about courage and kindness.
I agree. English becomes friendly when we speak it with calm confidence.
Now, dear students, please repeat after me slowly and clearly at home.
Excuse me, may I see the menu, please?
Excuse me, can you recommend a popular dish today, please?
I would like the chicken soup and fresh bread, please.
Could I have a glass of water, please?
Thank you very much. Everything looks delicious today.
Hmm. Repeat these sentences slowly and kindly with your own gentle voice.
Yes, and remember, pronunciation improves with patience and small daily practice.
Now, Michael, let us try another short role play for our lovely listeners.
Okay, Emily, this time you are the customer and I am the waiter.
Hello, good afternoon. May I have a table for one person, please?
Good afternoon. Yes, please follow me. This table is ready for you.
Thank you very much. May I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here is the menu. Please take your time choosing.
Hmm. Can you tell me if this pizza has mushrooms inside it?
Yes, it has mushrooms, cheese, and fresh vegetables on top.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I will order that pizza, please.
Very good choice. Would you like something to drink with it?
Yes, I would like a cold lemonade, please.
Certainly. I will bring your order very soon.
Thank you very much. You are very kind and helpful.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal and have a lovely day.
Michael, That role play felt very natural and comfortable for beginners.
Yes, because simple sentences make communication easy and friendly.
I hope our listeners feel more confident after practicing with us today.
I believe they will, because learning English is a journey, not a race.
Hmm. Everyone learns at their own beautiful and gentle speed.
That's a That's a very important life lesson for language and for life.
Michael, now let us practice asking for the bill politely in English.
Yes, this is very important for real restaurant situations.
Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Excuse me, can we pay by card or cash here, please?
Thank you very much. Everything was delicious today.
Yes, we really enjoyed our meal and friendly service here.
Hmm. Polite endings leave a good memory in people's hearts.
Really, really, kindness always returns in beautiful ways.
Now, dear friends, let us practice some useful restaurant words together.
Menu, waiter, order, bill, drink, dessert, and main dish.
Soup, salad, rice, chicken, fish, noodles, and vegetables.
Spicy, mild, sweet, salty, hot, and cold.
Repeat these words slowly and clearly with a gentle smile.
Yes, vocabulary becomes strong when we repeat it with calm confidence.
Michael, do you have a small tip for our English learners today?
Yes, always speak slowly, breathe calmly, and enjoy every small improvement.
That's a very kind and helpful tip for beginners.
And never laugh at your mistakes because mistakes are friendly teachers.
Wow, I really love that idea about mistakes being friendly teachers.
Yes, they help us grow quietly and gently.
Excuse me, I would like a cup of tea and a sandwich, please.
Certainly. Would you like chicken or vegetable in your sandwich today?
I would like vegetable because I want something light and healthy.
Very good choice. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your kind service today.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your meal and relax comfortably.
Dear friends, thank you for learning English with us today at Mr. English Clips.
We are very proud of you for practicing, listening, and staying kind to yourself.
Please remember, English grows with patience, courage, and gentle daily practice. Speak slowly, speak kindly, and always believe in your beautiful progress. Learning English is not just about language, but about confidence and connection.
That's oh so true, and we are happy to walk this journey with you.
Please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves learning English.
And never forget to smile while you learn, because joy makes learning stronger.
We will see you again very soon with another calm and friendly English lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking kindly, and enjoy your English journey.
Goodbye, dear friends. Take care and have a peaceful and happy day.
Goodbye, everyone, and thank you for being part of our English family.